In this question, having read the prompt, we can write the algebraic equation m plus s plus a equals 1200. We need to find s, the amount spent on salaries. We could do this by getting two more independent equations involving these variables to satisfy the n variables n equations rule. Or we could find s by learning the value of m plus a, even if we don't know the value of those variables individually. Given that, let's turn to the statements separately first. Statement 1 tells us in algebraic terms that s plus a equals 0.5m. We have only two equations, so by the rule we don't have enough to solve exhaustively. We can and we should check for fortuitous algebra. That would involve finding m plus a. However, if we attempt to isolate m plus a on one side of the statement, we end up with extraneous variables on the other side. We can't isolate it. Therefore, statement 1 is insufficient. Statement 2, in algebraic terms, tells us that s equals 0.25 times m plus a. Again, we have only two equations for three variables, but fortuitous algebra is present here. We can rewrite this equation by multiplying as m plus a equals 4s. Substituting that into the equation above, we obtain 5s equals 1200, from which we can solve for s. Since we can answer the question definitively, statement 2 is sufficient. The correct answer is B.